Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how less than 5 km speed during your driving test can save you from the immediate terminate. So just think, and this example is speed zone is 60 km per hour. So when we go to 60 zone, how they judge your speed and how they can terminate you for the low speed or high speed. So some of learners they thinking they can drive for 62, 63, 64 and they will not get terminate and their test will be over. So but the scenario will be different how they assess for the driving test. So if you're 60 John, you drive for 61, 62, 63, 64. If 60 John, you can go maximum 64, but you need to bring your speed within 5 seconds back to 60 or under 60. Same here. If you go to 59, 58, 55, 57, 55, 54, 53, 52, you still on the limit because the minimum speed is 50 and maximum speed is 64. So how it works? How we telling you if you keep less than 5, it is a good key to control the low speed and high speed. So as you can see, I mentioned there 60 and I put that all 61 to 65 with the red color. So just think, red part is your danger zone. This is your safe side. How it work? If 60 speed zone, if you even go to 61, you still need to bring your speed within 5 seconds, 60 or under 60. You go to 62, still you need to bring your speed within 5 seconds, under 60, 63 same, 64 same. So maximum 64, but you need to bring your speed within 5 seconds. And when you do the driving test, 5 seconds is like nothing. So don't go over speed, whatever the speed limit, just drive less than 5. So how less than 5 is safe with immediate terminate? So 60 speed, we advising to drive on 55. But no one can steady on 55. So even if we advise you 55, even you go 56, 57, 58, down 54, 53, still you the limit for the minimum speed. So minimum speed is 50. You can't drive less than 50 if there no rain and there is no traffic. So if you go on the downside, you save until this point. So you have at least 10 kilometer. But for the overspeed, even 61 is only 1 kilometer over. Less than 5 kilometer, you need to bring it. If you don't bring it, overspeed and immediate terminate. But if you go to 65, then your test will be terminate immediate. If they see your odometer to go start 65, they will just ask you whenever say pull over and test is over. So that's why it's very, very important to maintain speed less than 5. Less than 5, even you go there down, little bit 58, you still on safe zone. So that's why overspeed even 1 kilometer considered danger zone, so don't drive over. So speed limit if 60, 60 means maximum speed is 60. So maximum means this is the maximum and minimum is 50. So you have at least 10 kilometer margin there to maintain your speed. So go on that way instead of going to the higher speed. Same if the zone is 70. Same. Maintain your speed to 65. If you leave 65, you still say 56, 50, 66, 67, you still on the safe zone. But here, if you go to 71, 72, 73, 74, you need to bring speed within less than 5 seconds to be safe. If you go 75, immediate terminate. So that's the way you can save your immediate terminate for overspeed and less speed. So we really advise whatever speed limit, say in residential area is 50 yard. Here say maintain your speed to 45. If you go 46, 47, 48, if you go downward 43, 44, you're still on the under limit. So here minimum speed would be 40 and maximum speed would be 54. But 54 means if you go to 54 within 5 seconds. So never try to go on upper side. Always stay on the left side. And now other very good example for the road work or school zone. So mostly school zone is speed limit is 40. So school zone road work is 40. So on the road work and school zone, if zone is 40, you can't even drive on 41. That's immediate terminate. So still here, still less than 5, formula work very well. If you maintain your speed on 35, 36, you on the safe zone. So road work and school zone, zero tolerance. Normal speed zone, if you go to 64 on 60 zone, you need to bring speed within 5 seconds. But if school zone, you can't even touch 41. If your odometer come to 41, they will ask you when safe, pull over and test is over. So that's the way you can save low speed and high speed. I really advise anyone go for driving test, whatever the speed limit, drive less than 5. And also, somewhere places you notice some yellow signs, some speed sign comes with yellow. So yellow signs mean advisable sign. So some of road zone is say 60 and when they curving or turning road they put it yellow sign 50 speed. So means they advising you. So in that if you go 50 to 53 is not a big deal, but they advising you and advisory sign are good. So all the yellow sign is advisory sign. So better to follow the yellows, all yellow sign. So I hope this looks a bit messy now because too much writing, but I hope this help you and you can understand what the benefit to speed less than 5 to maintain low speed and high speed immediate terminate. So for more useful video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.